it can calculate numbers in seconds. So today, I'm going to show you how fast you can calculate things in seconds. Right? If you take 97 times 98, how fast can we get the answer? You all have 5 seconds. See? Now I can give you the answer in 5 seconds. 97 minus 100 is 3. 98 minus 100 is 2. You multiply that, you get 6. And then you cross subtract. 2 from 97 is 95, and that's your answer. Fast, isn't it? See,
Because you know the formula.
No, you don't need to calculate that. No, if you take any number, if you take 96 times 97, you'll get to do the same thing, it'll be the same thing. You can take any number close to 100 and multiply it like that, and you'll get the answer. That's called Vedic mathematics. In other words, it is a mathematics that's been lost in our Hinduism. The present mathematics is westernized, but our Hindu mathematics was killed. That part of our science was killed. If you take, for example, 13 times 13, right? Very simple. 3 trees, 9, right? And you take this 3 and you add it to 13, you get 16, and that's your answer. See, that's how quick you can multiply things. Vedic mathematics is now coming out a little bit in our history. So you'll find that in Vedic mathematics you don't really need a calculator. You can calculate anything at any time. But what I want to do is if you take 12 times 12 equal to 144. Right? We all know that. If you take 1 and 2 you get 3 times 1 and 2, 3 is equal to 4 and 4, 8 and 1, 9. See that? On the equal sign everything is equal. So you'll find that happens to any one of your equations in mathematics. And if our kids learn this, they will be able to pass every exam in minutes.
I have to introduce my son to you.
Okay, so now, I want you to look carefully. If I take the number 9 and you add it to 5, you'll get back the same number. Watch. 9 and 5 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5. So 9 plus any number will give you the same number. See that? Now, what do you know about 9 in your Hinduism?
It's a mystic number.
Right, 9 is the 9 grahas, the 9 planets, the 9 Durgas, the 9 Lakshmis, the 9 almost everything. So 9 is a number that completes everything. It acts like 0. So now, if you add 9 plus 3, that's equal to 12, and 1 and 2 is 3. See? Also, if you take 9 and you multiply it by any number, you will get the same 9 again. In mathematics. 9 times 4 is 36. That's the 9. So 9 times any number will give you 9. See? So take 9 times 5, 9 46, 5 times 45. Right? And then you 5, 4, 9. So 9 times any number will give you. So 9 acts very powerfully in our life. 9 is one of the most powerful numbers in Hinduism. So, what is the 9 about? The 9 devatas, remember, are created by rishis. And so it's all based on what you call Vedic mathematics. It's all based on this power of 9. Because the 9 planets and things like that completes the world. So now, there are 9 forces in our life. And these 9 forces in our life govern our life. Right? Here you have it. 1 is leadership, love. These are things that we need. We work with. Social, work, change, power, things like that. These 9 numbers controls our life. And they're called life codes. In other words, if you take any birth date, right? What's your birthday?
September 1.
September 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 1 again, right? 9 and 1 is 10, and there's 1. So the same Vedic mathematics applied to our birth date and so on. So you find that we call this a life code. And a life code is a number that can determine your life. Her number 1 will now apply in every part of her life. So each one of us has what you call a life code. So you can, for example, know if your house is a good house. So let's take some house number. What's your house number?
1909.
You see why you're sitting in the front, you get all the attention. 1909
It's interesting.
is 9 and 9.
18.
18 and 1, 19 is 1. Now, that means that everybody in that house is bossy. Everybody in that house have a mind of their own. Right? And it's ruled by Brahma. And she's Brahma, so she's going to be happy in her own house, right? So if you take 1 plus her 1, you'll get 2, and that means love there. She loved that house a lot. So now, we can take some more.
37.
What's your birthday?
Oh, October 6th.
October 6th, right? And that's the birthday. So 6 and 1 is equal to 7. 7 is Lord Shiva. And she's more mental. She has mind run 1,000 miles an hour, all this thinking. Okay? So now, you take the 7 and you add it to the 37. 37 is the house, right?
Yes.
7, it comes out to 8. See? It means in that house there's a lot of expensive things, expensive furniture, things like that. And people in that house do worry about money. Money means Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
See? So now, but that's a good house, actually. So now, if the house is also 1, so that means everybody have a mind of their own, isn't it? Everybody wants to do their own thing. Nobody wants to cooperate here. Okay? And then how your children can relate to the house also. How will you get birthday?
September 29th.
So 29th, the son was September 29, so he's a 2, very loving guy. See? Loving person, Durga, he's born in Durga, always friendly, have a lot of friends.
Yes.
Right? And then he plus the 1 means he plus the 1 is equal to 3, which is going to be very comfortable, mission, social, be very social at home, always inviting his friends at home and watching TV and things like that. See, so you can know from that, right? This is what we call instant astrology, instant prediction. Now, why am I teaching this? Because I want our pundits to do it. Our pundits must know right away what's wrong with the house, what's wrong with the person, so that they can know how to help them. Right? I'll be retiring soon from this. So I want all our pundits to be able to predict instantly and know this work. Now, once you know what kind of a person coming to you, when's your birthday again?
July 10.
July 10th, right? Once you know what kind of person is coming to you, then you know the Devata that's ruling that person. That person acts like that Devata. For example, she was Brahma a minute, she acts like Brahma. She likes to be a leader. I think she is a leader here. And she likes to be creative and so on in her attitudes and so on. She likes to lead. And here's an 8. 8 means that she likes Lakshmi. She likes expensive things. Material things are very good, important for her, yes. That doesn't mean you're bad, it just means you're Lakshmi, you know. Lakshmi is like that. So now, it means that she likes nice things, okay? And she probably used to dress up when she was young and look like a model and so on. So now, you know what kind of person that is from the birth date alone. You can, and once you know it's a Lakshmi person now, right? Then you can decide how to react with that person. As a Pandit, you would know, okay, she worries about the money and so on, if she's 8, or she worries about herself, which she's a Brahma. Then you will know right away how to deal with her, what kind of puja she needs to be done, what kind of prayers should be given to her, what kind of mantra should be given to her, things like that. So right away you will know, right? From what you call the life code, or we call it the Ishta Devata. The Ishta Devata code is really the life code, right? So you'll find that also the house is ruled by, okay, if you have any questions, let's wait until I finish. Right? And then I'll answer the question.